Don't you just hate it when you're taking a shower and you can't clean those hard to reach places? Well, you don't have to worry about that anymore with the ZEALINNO Shower Body Brush. So it comes with a thank you card and a shower hook, which you can attach to your bathtub. And here is that beautiful 15 inches shower brush. So one side is that soft loofah sponge that you see. And I definitely appreciate the shell, so it contains it in there, because the cheaper loofah ones tend to break up over time. So when you have this shell protecting it, it keeps its original shape. Wow, that is soothing. I bet you that would be perfect for cleaning sensitive skin. All right. Now on the reverse side is composed of these bristles, which helps to remove dirt and dead skin buildup. And it can also act to eliminate cellulite buildup. So you have this long 15 inches of plastic handle, which is all pretty rigid and solidly built. And here is a hole where you can hang it on there. So I'm pretty excited to test this out. When it comes to a shower body brush, what I like to do is first lather up the sponge side with warm water. And then I'm going to put some soap or cleaning agent, and I'm just going to spread it all over my body, especially hard to reach places such as the lower and upper back. And then I'm going to either stick with this to clean it or use this to just remove away the dirt and grime, you know, that can build up over time, especially on those hard to reach places. Yeah, so versatile. Welcome to my guest bathroom. This is where I'll be installing the shower brush. So I'm going to simply peel it off, and I'm gonna look for a good location. I think I'm gonna put it off to the side in case I decide to add one of those shower hangers to put the shampoo, the caddies. I think that's a good location right here. That looks beautiful right there. All right, I just woke up. It's time for my morning shower. Gotta have it lukewarm. Let me lather up with soap and water, and then just get in those hard to reach places. Look at that upper back. See I'm lathering up with the loofah. Lower back. Yeah. Now I'm gonna use the brush side to remove the dead skin. Oh yeah, that's soothing. It's like a massage. Wow, it's quite a unique experience. See, it reaches those hard to reach places. Wow. With the help of the dual cleaning heads, I feel like this is the cleanest I've ever been versus just simply rinsing off or using my hands. So if you're looking to stay so fresh and so clean, definitely check out the ZEALINNO Body Shower Brush.